Your May Take and Make kit will include a piece of cardstock, a wooden skewer, a popsicle stick with string, and a piece of plastic for your kite tail. You will also need some tape, a hole punch, and markers or crayons if you want to decorate your kite. I have used markers to decorate both sides of my cardstock. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cardstock and I'm going to fold it in half, make a seam, and then I'm going to turn it and fold on an angle like so. And then I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing on this side, making it as even as possible. And then I'm going to take some tape and secure my kite shape. I'm going to take my wooden skewer and secure that with some tape also right across the top. And then I'm going to take my kite tail I'm going to put it right inside here. And secure that with some tape also. Making sure that it's in there nice and snug. I'm going to take a piece of tape and reinforce an area up near the top here. And then use my hole punch to punch a hole. And then use my string, my kite string, unwind a little bit. Put it right through the hole, and then I'm going to tie a knot, tightening it up gently so I don't rip my paper. After you have it all assembled, you can take it outside and let it fly.